Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today we're going to celebrate Christmas in July by making some colorful holiday ornaments like these. Let me get set up. I'll be right back and I'll show you how to make them. The first step is to cut your cord. I've already used wine, yellow, and white satin cord, so I'm going to use green in the ornament I'll be making now. So you want to cut around 12 to 14 inches of cord. The next step is to slide one end of your cord through the loop on top of a jingle bell. And you're going to make a double knot. You're going to pull that snug and make sure the jingle bell will hang level. And then I'm just going to snip the tail off like so. Next, we're going to choose some colorful pony beads. I'll go start with blue and white, green and yellow and red. How's that? We'll use 5. And the word I'm going to make is jolly. String those on in reverse. And next we'll slide some more beads on top of our word jolly. I think I'll do reverse order of what I did here. And now we're going to form a loop and a knot right at the top of those beads. Like so, and oops, it's kind of tricky here. Go like this. Make a double knot again. We want this knot to hold that cord in place, make it nice and snug. And then we'll trim that tail. And we're done. So we have jolly, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, Chloe. So there's 160 alphabet beads in a package. So depending on the names or words that you choose to make, you might need a couple packages to have enough letters. Thanks for joining us today. Merry Christmas in July. Bye. See you next time.